All right, many of you are providing your customers, whether it's a new vehicle or a used vehicle, complimentary maintenance. Some of you are providing 2 oil changes and 2 tire rotations, others 3 and 4. Doesn't really matter how many you're providing. Fact of the matter is, it's going to save your customer money, and I want you to be able to quantify the cost of an oil and filter change, and quantify the cost of a tire rotation. For this particular example, we're going to talk about a 3-year complimentary maintenance plan, which will encompass 4 oil changes and 4 tire rotations. What I want to do with this customer is I want to make sure they understand not only how much it's going to save them, but why we're doing it as well. Your MotorTrend Certified vehicle, or your new vehicle for that matter, is going to come with 3 years of complimentary maintenance.
Awesome.
Now, let me tell you what that encompasses. It includes 4 oil changes and 4 tire rotations. Now, what do you normally pay for an oil change and a tire rotation?
Hey, right now, because I do the whole service, it's about $125.
So multiply that times 4. That's $500 worth of maintenance we're going to pay for you. Now, you might wonder why we're doing that.
Maybe you want to make the car a little better, but I mean, well, why are you doing it?
Well, we're not a charitable institution. We have a great service department. You don't know that. So we are literally willing to pay you to use our service department for your first 4 services: oil, filter change, and tire rotation, with the belief that if you give us the chance to pay for your oil changes and tire rotations for the first 4, you will become a service customer. That's how proud and how much confidence we have in our service department taking great care of you.
That makes perfect sense, yeah. After 4 times, I should know.